Did you know your credit card points can lose value to inflation? Credit card companies often reduce the redemption value of your points and miles. Now, imagine a credit card with rewards that can grow in value. With the Gemini Credit Card, you can earn Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos instantly with no annual fee. Every swipe at the store or gas pump earns you instant rewards deposited straight to your account. Plus, sign up now for a $200 Bitcoin bonus to kickstart your rewards. Visit Gemini.com/card today. Check out the link in the description for more information on rates and fees. Again, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin but don't know where to start, the Gemini Credit Card makes it easy. In today's world, no matter what your job is, you're going to benefit from knowing one or two AI and tech skills. That's where Udacity comes in. DCR is sponsored by Udacity. Want to learn skills that command high salaries? Udacity is an online learning platform with courses in AI and tech, including agentic, generative AI, Python, data science, and much more. When you learn with Udacity, you're not just watching videos or reading articles, you're doing practical exercises and projects that prepare you for the job you want. Udacity just launched a master's degree in AI. For under $5,000, you can get your Master of Science in AI. That's a fraction of the cost of traditional degree programs and way more flexibility. One of my favorite things about Udacity is they have a network of over 1,000 mentors available to give you tailored feedback on your projects. It creates a really personalized learning experience. When you have a certificate from Udacity, recruiters and employers take notice. The tech field is always evolving, and you should be too. You can try Udacity risk-free for 7 days. Head to udacity.com/DCR and use code DCR for 40% off your order. Once again, that's udacity.com/DCR for 40% off. And make sure you use the promo code DCR so they know we sent you. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, November 25th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $87,687. ETH is up 1% at $2,928. XRP is up slightly at $2.20. Bitcoin extended its cautious rebound to about $88,000 this week, stabilizing in a tight range after last week's washout. Total crypto market cap has recovered to roughly $3 trillion. Metaplanet has pulled another $130 million from its $500 million Bitcoin-backed credit line, bringing total borrowing to $230 million as it continues leaning fully into a Bitcoin collateral strategy. The loan executed November 21st carries a floating USD rate, renews daily, can be repaid anytime, and is secured by the firm's 30,823 BTC reserve, worth about $2.7 billion. Metaplanet said its BTC stack provides more than enough collateral coverage, though a price drop could require more to be pledged. The new funds will go toward buying more Bitcoin, expanding its BTC income generation business, including selling Bitcoin options for premium income and potential share buybacks. The firm expects minimal financial impact for 2025 and will disclose any material changes. Metaplanet is the fourth largest public Bitcoin treasury, but its stock has taken a hit, down 81% since June. Its BTC holdings sit on an unrealized loss of roughly $600 million. Strategy's Bitcoin premium keeps falling and is now approaching the levels last seen during the 2021-2022 crypto winter, according to TD Cowen's Lance Vitanza. The firm said Strategy didn't issue new shares or buy Bitcoin on Monday, putting extra attention on how compressed the premium has become. The premium reflects how much Strategy's stock trades above or below the net asset value of its BTC holdings. It has dropped sharply from last year's highs. Despite the slide, TD Cowen remains bullish. The analysts kept their buy rating and $535 price target, roughly triple the current $180 share price, arguing that by the end of 2027, Strategy could hold around 815,000 BTC, worth about $185 billion, equating to roughly $540 intrinsic value per share. Their target assumes no premium at all. The analysts also warned that Strategy is likely to be removed from MSCI indices in February, a move they say is misguided but expected. They estimate about $2.5 billion in passive fund exposure sits in MSCI-linked holdings of MSTR, with another $5.5 billion tied to indexes that could follow MSCI's lead. Forced selling from index removals could weigh further on the stock. Still, TD Cowen argues that Strategy's long-term thesis remains intact. It continues to accumulate Bitcoin faster than liabilities and should trade at a premium if BTC becomes more integrated into global finance. And finally, Binance is facing a new U.S. lawsuit accusing the exchange of knowingly enabling Hamas and other U.S.-designated terrorist groups to move funds in the years leading up to the 2023 attack on Israel. The case, filed in federal court in North Dakota, was brought by more than 300 victims and families of the attack. The complaint claims Binance knowingly facilitated illicit transactions by allowing them to transfer and conceal hundreds of millions of dollars. Plaintiffs argue this materially contributed to the October 7th attack and later incidents. The lawsuit also alleges Binance intentionally structured its operations to obscure fund flows and enable FTO-linked accounts, including after its 2023 settlement with U.S. authorities. Binance has several similar FTO-related lawsuits pending in the U.S. A spokesperson said the firm cannot comment on ongoing litigation, but emphasized compliance with international sanctions and noted that Treasury officials have said Hamas does not heavily rely on crypto. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report. Did you know your credit card points can lose value to inflation? Credit card companies often reduce the redemption value of your points and miles. Now, imagine a credit card with rewards that can grow in value. With the Gemini Credit Card, you can earn Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos instantly with no annual fee. Every swipe at the store or gas pump earns you instant rewards deposited straight to your account. Plus, sign up now for a $200 Bitcoin bonus to kickstart your rewards. Visit Gemini.com/card today. Check out the link in the description for more information on rates and fees. Again, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin but don't know where to start, the Gemini Credit Card makes it easy.
Rinse takes your laundry and hand-delivers it to your door, expertly cleaned and folded. So you could take the time once spent folding and sorting and waiting to finally pursue a whole new version of you. Like Tea Time You. Or this Tea Time You. Or even this Tea Time You.
So did you hear about Dave?
Or even Tea Time You.
So update on Dave.
It's up to you. We'll take the laundry. Rinse. It's time to be great.